Hi, I am Sai Prashant Tadabala. Today our topic is on acceptance testing. So now let us know why this acceptance testing is required when we conduct this acceptance testing. Okay. Once after successfully completion of developing a software or sprint, you can call it as sprint also. This software is forwarded for testing. Forwarded for testing by Scrum team testers. So Scrum team testers, they are going to perform non-functional testing and non-functional testing. These are the two types of testing phases and levels we previously covered in our previous session: functional testing and non-functional testing. So now after successful completion of this testing, then the next phase is sprint review. Sprint review meeting. This you will clearly understand once if you revise the Agile Scrum process flow diagram. Okay. So sprint review meeting. So in this sprint review meeting, Scrum Master, okay, Scrum team tester is going to continue with this. They are going to participate in the meeting. Scrum team tester is going to participate in the meeting with respect to Scrum Master, PO, stakeholder, with respect to customer. The Scrum team tester, Scrum team members means Scrum team tester and developers. Tester and developers, both people. Scrum team testers and developers along with the Scrum Master, PO and stakeholder. They are going to participate in the meeting with respect to customer. Then what is the purpose of this meeting? Purpose of meeting is the Scrum team members, they are going to provide they are going to provide demo to the customers. They are going to collect the Scrum Master and PO. They are going to collect the feedback from the customer and stakeholders. They are going to collect the feedback from the customer with respect to regarding the developed sprint and software, sprint or software. Okay, see here now. So acceptance testing is two ways, conducted in two ways. First one is alpha test. Alpha testing. Alpha testing means, so when you see in a college while recruiting the faculty, how they are going to recruit the faculty for school or for college means they are going to ask the faculty to provide the demo. They are going to request the faculty to provide the demo. What the faculty going to do? He is going to provide demo on particular subject. So principal and HOD, let us take in college, if you consider in college means principal and HOD, they are going to write some review over his presentation, over the employee presentation, faculty presentation. If the presentation of the employee is fine, then there won't be any problem. They will continue, ask him to continue to the college, or else they will suppose some changes. Similarly only, like that similarly, Scrum team testers, Scrum team members with along with Scrum Master, PO and stakeholder, they are going to provide they are going to provide a demo to customer. So during this, after completion of this demo, customer is going to provide feedback to the Scrum team members, Scrum Master and PO. They are to these company people. This customer is going to provide, customer will provide feedback. Feedback over developed software. Feedback over the developed software. So this customer is going to provide the feedback to the company, these people. Scrum Master, Scrum team members, they are going to collect the feedback from the customer. So in the feedback, if it is fine, yeah, the software is developed very well, it's good means it's okay. Then they will continue to release, they will continue to the next phase called as release phase, they are going to release the software. Whereas during the feedback, if they require any changes in the developed software, if any issues there means, they are going to collect that feedback. If it the time suggests, they perform the changes at the time only. If it is okay means. or else they perform the changes over the software after completion of collecting the feedback. This is what I mean about alpha testing. Simple. Another example is, for suppose if you are trying to learn software testing from me, in general what you do, you will continue with a demo session. If you like my demo, then you will continue with the other sessions of my tutorials. Okay, likewise only, similarly alpha testing is conducted. Then next testing is beta testing. Beta testing. See, in beta testing, so this company, Scrum Master is going to release, Scrum Master with respect to Scrum team members and PO is going to release trial version at customer site. Trial version at customer site. Okay. See, in previous alpha testing, they are going to provide demo and going to collect the feedback from the customers. Whereas in beta testing, Scrum team members, Scrum team testers with respect to Scrum Master, PO, they are going to release the trial version at customer site, and they will collect the feedback with via mails, via email. So what they does in beta testing, they release the trial version. No, customer is going to utilize the trial version. Then after utilizing, if they found any error, if he required any changes, if he found any issues, then he will forward that issues and changes via email to the company people, Scrum Master and Scrum team, these people. Okay, this is what I mean about beta testing. For suppose these two testings are also called as, or else you can say this acceptance testing is also called as, another name is yellow box technique. This is also called as yellow box testing technique. Okay, this is how they are going to conduct the testing, alpha testing and beta testing in the acceptance testing. If everything is fine while conducting the beta testing, then they release the software at customer site, original version. Okay, let me show a small example to you. In general, if you see in general how it going to work, beta testing is going, how it is going to work means, they will release some trial version. See, let us say antivirus Avastar trial version, means this trial version, see, Avastar trial version, antivirus Avastar, you can download this trial version and you can use this trial version up to some stipulated period of time. Stipulated period of time is for free for 30 days. Means you have to use this software freely. You can use this software freely for 30 days. During this utilization, if you got any issues, means this is the product based software. If you got any issues, means you can forward that issues through mail. You can mail those issues to the